y'all, welcome to my channel Eat to Cure. I decided to create this channel due to all the requests I've been having for my recipes that I post on my Instagram account, which is liz.eats.to.cure. So if you want to go over there, you can check out a lot more recipes, but my #1 requested recipe is actually my buffalo cauliflower bites, or I should say my crispy cauliflower bites. I make them sometimes with buffalo, barbecue sauce, any kind of sauce that you like you can put on them. They're super easy, super delicious. So I decided to make that my first video for y'all. It is going to be tacos tonight. So first I'm actually going to show you how to do some pickled veggies because it's super easy. They're ready in about an hour and then we can throw them on all our tacos tonight. So let me get everything ready and then I'll start showing you guys what to do. What you need is 1 cup of warm water and 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 crushed garlic cloves, right here, I don't know if you can see those, and I also do a tablespoon of black peppercorn. And just a little bit of salt I'm going to put in as well. So let's go ahead and put all that in there. Alright guys, that's it. We're going to let this sit here for about an hour and then they should be ready to go. If you're not in a rush, you can just put it in a mason jar and let it sit in the fridge overnight and they'll flavor even more for you. Now I'm going to show y'all how to make the cauliflower. Okay guys, I have everything all set to make the cauliflower steaks for the tacos tonight. I sliced up the cauliflower here. This is a cashew milk. And this is actually just oats that I floured. And in the pan, I coated the bottom of it with an avocado oil. So once I see the edges starting to crisp up a little bit, I like to flip them over and then just give them a little bit more time because they're pretty much cooked through, but you can see how they're getting nice and crispy on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and flip all those over. The next step is to put them all in a bowl so you can toss them with whatever sauce you choose. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think, if it seems easy, if you're going to give it a try. If you do give it a try, comment below, let me know how you guys like everything. And like I said, my Instagram account is Liz, that's with an S, Lis, .eats.to.cure. See you next time.